Here I come catching cinnamon. But with apple. The apple man. Is the apple man. Is the apple man. Never mind. I'm not actual lost. No, I'm not. Let the race begin. Time to go. He's taking the bowl, get him. I have an idea. Fun fact, that pear guy is actually my cousin. Stay out of my cinnamon jacks. I did it. I did it. With cinnamon. Who are you? See ya. Alright, we did it. There. We got to go. Let me show you how it's done.
I am a pear, and I say cinnamon jacks are mine. Sucker.